Found us on Facebook, didn't you? Mm-hmm. Good old Facebook. Here we go. We do things a little different, but they're nice, right? Good. When Wes came in, he was debilitating, had no legs, he couldn't walk. What else could we lie about?
He had no legs.
Yeah, he had no legs. We're a regenerative medicine clinic.
Our chiropractic adjustments fully regenerate your life.
It's like a chameleon extract that we give, like a lizard extract.
It's working.
It's working. Like, I have both my legs now. I'm just kidding. No, you just came in. Normal soreness, back pain, tightness. You guys moved from Kentucky, right?
Right.
You were under care there for a while, right? Yeah. Found us on Facebook, didn't you? Mm-hmm. Good old Facebook. Here we go. We do things a little different, but they're nice, right? Mm-hmm. Good. This one's your favorite, isn't it?
Yeah.
I feel like some moves we have mental notes on. Did you do some favorites? Do you got a little soreness right here?
Just a little.
Just a little. More on the right side or the left?
I would say left.
Left, okay.
Yeah.
Let's get the low back. When I do this move, I feel like I could go through the table like a karate person. You know, like how they like correct their stuff. Like when I train other dogs.
Too, yeah.
Yeah. When I'm training dogs, I just want to be like, like the boards, and they're like, ah, and they go through. Yeah. Just go through the patient. Just drop. You're like, I feel like you're gonna go through me as well. Oh.
Yeah.
Good.
Good one.
But it's necessary. It's a perfect stop.
Yeah.
All right.
Awesome.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
You're good to go.
Appreciate it.
And we'll let his forearms rest now. He's like Thor's hammer filming.
I already had to switch to my left hand.
Yeah.
I don't normally do
Oh.
This is hard.
Yeah, we just need like one of those, like, what are those things where you lean forward and they drive?
Car.
No,
You get, like,
no. You know what I mean? What?
You need straps that go
Yeah.
over your shoulders that connect to
yeah.
right there.
Well, let's segue into something
Segway, that's what it is. Are you messing around?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Segway. He would just be like this. That was rude.